Jai Gurudev to all of you. Today we revise the chapter trigonometry. We learn all the formula of trigonometrical format like that sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B and so on. Today we use the various formula of the trigonometry. Question number first is find the value of the sine 15 degree. So we use the formula sin of A minus B, that is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. How we can calculate that kind of value? We are separating that kind of degree which we known the values of it. We have 15 degree can be converted into a 45 minus 30. So we are taking the angle A is 45 degree and angle B is 30 degree. Put that value into a formula sin of A minus B. So we get here sin 45 minus 30 degree equals to sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30 degree. Put these values. We know that sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus same as it is cos 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Take their LCM to root 2. After calculating we are getting root 3 minus 1 in numerator, because a rational value having in denominator cannot be put into the denominator value of irrational form. So we are multiplying by root 2 in numerator and denominator. Root 2 multiplying with both, we get root 6 and minus root 2 into 1 is root 2. Root 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So the final value of sin 45 degree is root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Same as it is, we are calculating the various form of value sin 75 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 105 degree and so on. Next question is that find the value of 1 radian into the degree, minute and second. How we can converting it? We know that the relation of degree and radian, pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi radian. Same as it is, 1 radian is equals to 180 upon the mensuration. In mensuration, we are calculating the value of pi is 22 by 7. Put here, it will be convert 7 by 22. Cancel it, 2 11s are 22, 2 90s are 180. 90 into 7 630 upon 11 is degree. So we are dividing it. 11 5s are 55, remaining is 8, 0 is here, 11 7s are 77 is 3. We are not dividing by the decimal format, so we are getting is 57 is complete degree and 3 by 11 is a fractional degree. So we can write that 1 radian is equals to 57 degree complete, 3 by 11 degree. And we know that again 1 degree is equals to 60 seconds. The relation is 1 degree equals to 60 seconds. So we can multiplying with that 3 by 11 degree multiplying with 60, it will be a minute. So that is complete degree. So we get 180 by 11 minute. Dividing it again, 11 1 is 11, that will be 7, 11 6 is 66, that will be 4. So not dividing by up to decimal format. So the 16 is a complete minute and 4 by 11 is a fractional minute. So we can write that 16 into 4 by 11, 16 is a complete minute, that is a 4 by 11 minute again. And we know that again the relation 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Multiplying it by 60, so we get 4 by 11 into 60 second. That comes to 40 by 11 second, dividing it up to the decimal because no such value after second. 11 2 the 22, we get 2, 2 0, 11 1 the 11, 7 decimal getting 0, 11 6 the 66. So we get 21 by 6 second. Near about we can write that 57 degrees 16 minute and 22 second. That is the answer of it. Next question is that prove that sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y equals to tan x minus y by 2. In that kind of question, we are applying the formula sin c minus sin d and denominator having a cos c plus cos d. We know that sin c minus sin d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. And cos c plus cos d will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Applying into a left hand side, we get 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 dividing by 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So that will be cancel out, sin x minus y by 2 upon sin x minus y by 2, 2 and 2 again cancel. Okay, so we are getting here the relation, we are using here the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 and that. So we are getting that, that is a formula of cos x minus y by 2, this much is cancelled, cos x plus y 2, cos x plus y by 2. So we get the relation Sin x minus y by 2 numerator and denominator cos x minus y by 2. That angle are same. So sin by cos is 10, tan x minus y by 2, that is the right hand side. Just correct here the formula cos of x minus y by 2. Next question is that find the value of 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cos sec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equals to 3 by 2. That kind of question we are applying into a degree format. So we know that pi radian is equals to 180 degree. Put that value, so we get 2 sin square 180 by 6 plus cos sec square 7 into 180 by 6 into cos square 180 by 3. 180 by 6 is 30 degrees, so we get sin square 30 degree plus again that which we cancel with the 30 into 7 is equals to 210. So cos sec square 210 degree and again cos square 60 degree. We calculate all these value. Sin square 30 degree write as sin 30 whole square, because the meaning of it sin square theta will be sin theta whole square. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Next is cos sec square 210 is equals to cos sec 210 degree whole square, and we can split with that 180 degrees, so we are getting cos sec 180 plus 30 whole square. Know the formula cos sec 180 plus something lies in a third quadrant, and according to it ASTC rule which we explained in previous class, that will be the 10 is positive, so the cos sec is negative. Cos sec will be no change by separating with the 180 degree, so minus cos sec 30 degree whole square. Cos sec 30 is 2, so minus 2 whole square, that will be the 4. And next one is cos sec square 60 degree is cos 60 whole square, that will be 1 by 2 whole square, that will be 1 by 4. We calculate all these values, put into the question, that is 2 into cos sec sin square 30 1 by 4 plus cos sec square 210 is 4, that is 1 by 4, cancel it 1, cancel it half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Thank you.